According to a new study done by the University of California, San Diego, the decommissioning of coal-fired power plants in the continental United States has reduced nearby pollution and its negative impacts on human health and crop yields. The findings published in the journal Nature Sustainability use the US transition in recent years from coal towards natural gas for electric power generation to study the local impacts of coal-fired unit shutdowns. While the shift from coal to natural gas has reduced carbon dioxide emissions overall, it has also changed local pollution levels at hundreds of areas around the country. In particular, the burning of coal creates particulate matter and ozone in the lower atmosphere, often experienced as smog, which can affect humans, plants, and regional climate. These pollutants, aerosols, ozone, and other compounds from coal burning can wreak havoc on human health when inhaled and also have damaging effects on plant life. They also alter local climate by blocking incoming sunlight. The author combined data from the Environmental Protection Agency EPA on electric power generation with the satellite and surface measurements from the EPA as well as NASA to cause changes in local pollution before and after coal-fired unit shutdowns. She also studied changes in county-level mortality rates and crop yields using data from the Centers of Disease Control and the US Department of Agriculture. She found that between 2005 and 2016, the shutdown of coal-fired units saved an estimated 26,610 lives and 570 million bushels of corn, soybeans, and wheat in their immediate vicinities. The inverse calculation, that is, estimating the damages caused by coal plants left in operation over that same time period, suggests they contributed to 329,417 premature deaths and the loss of 10.2 billion bushels of crops, roughly equivalent to half of year's typical production in the US. Although there are considerable benefits of decommissioning older coal-fired units, the newer natural gas units are not entirely benign. Natural gas units are associated with increased pollution levels, although different than the pollutants mixed from coal-fired units, and more research is required to fully understand their impacts. Policymakers often think about greenhouse gas emissions as a separate problem from air pollution, but the same processes that cause climate change also produce these aerosols, ozone, and other compounds that cause important damages. This study provides a more robust accounting for the full suite of emissions associated with electric power production.